with me to the Dollar Tree. Let's take a look at their cleanup stuff. Okay, so first we'll start over here with the air fresheners. So we have these scented air fresheners, which are really nice. The Airwick stick-ups, those are really nice. And then you have these, the plug-in diffusers. Then you have some more of those stick-ups up there with some Brillo. Then you have the stick-ups here. This is Love My Carpet. I didn't even know they had that here at my Dollar Tree. Okay, then you have the Roach Prisons and the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and the Fresh and Natural. And then down here you have those air fresheners. This is the Roach Control and Ant Killer. The Fly Swatters, the Insect Killer. Okay, so over here we have the air fresheners. Those are really nice. Look how stocked they are, guys. The Fly Swatters. And then they have this pack here of 10 Scrub Buddy scouring pads. That's pretty good. So then you have all kinds of air fresheners over here, guys. The dryer balls. They stocked up on those. So here you have, let's see, the booster. The booster. Okay, here you have the Downy, the small ones, the Tide, and the Gain. Here's some laundry detergent over here. And then these are your laundry detergents. So here they have powder bleach, guys. I didn't even know that Dollar Tree carried powder bleach, but here it is. Then you have some dishwashing pods. And you have some laundry detergent right there, and that's Clorox. And here's the laundry detergent here. So here is the fabric softener. Here's Final Touch. I didn't even know they had Final Touch. At least at this Dollar Tree. So then you have your laundry detergent. Here's some more fabric softener. Then you have your dryer sheets, and they have the Bounce. They have the Breezy. They have the bleach along the bottom and the fabric refresher, guys. Look at this. Then they have the heavy duty starch and the pre-wash for the laundry. And then they have this powder like the OxyClean. Here it is in the powder it's called Awesome brand. So they have that. And there they go. More dryer balls. And look at this carpet cleaner. Oh. Carpet cleaner. Then they have window cleaner, glass cleaner, bleach along the bottom, guys. So there is your glass cleaner. They even have the spray foam one. Then they have the furniture polish. Then they have this brand here. It deodorizes. This would be good to try. You got to be careful though because it has bleach. But there's the ammonia. Then you have the wood furniture polish. Then you have the Fabuloso in all these scents. Then you have the 4-in-1 tile plus I can't reach it. Then you have the Clorox. The Comet and the Ajax. Here's the Ajax. I usually only see this Comet brand. That's the Ajax one. And then you have this floor cleaner in lavender, the Awesome brand, and this is a huge bottle. Then you have this kind here, multi-purpose cleaner, and the Awesome brand. Look at that, they're stocked up on the Awesome. And then you have some Clorox. This is actually Clorox in the smaller bottle, but that's nice. And here's the Magic Eraser, and here's the Clorox multi-purpose cleaner. Okay, and then you have this bathroom cleaner. And that one, and here's the refill, the shower cleaner, and the Super Oxy. Here's the oven cleaner and the bathroom cleaner down there. So we're pretty stocked up, guys. Then they have the Lima Away. I use that all the time. That works great. They have the Mr. Plumber, and they have this drain thing here, and then they have the Scotch Heavy Duty. Then they have some more pods for the dishwasher. The Lysol toilet cleaner, and here's the tile and shower cleaner. Here's Tidy Bowl. Here's the Lysol, and here's your dish cleaners, guys. I am so happy to see this place all stocked up with all this stuff, guys. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to take a look at all of their cleaning products, guys. And I'll see you in the next video.